So today I want to talk about something that may actually save your life and make it affordable for you to heat your home during the dark winter. So in Europe and the US, we're going to have a lot of issues with the price of electricity, heating oil, firewood going through the roof. So one thing that I have in my survival kit is these window insulation kits. And what this is a thin plastic film, and it goes over your windows, and it provides a extra layer of insulation. These are very cheap. You can get these at any home store, and they make them in big sizes, so no matter what size window you got, it can handle it. And like I said, I keep these in my survival kit. I don't care what brand you use, where you get them from, but you need to get them now before everybody thinks about it. These will save you 20-30% on your heating bill with no problem. So one thing I want to stress when looking at these kits is they make them two ways. For instance, this green one is for outdoor use, so it goes on the outside trim of your window. The one in the red packaging here is designed for inside use, so it goes on the inside of your house. Now the ones that go on the inside of your house, they use a blow dryer to stretch them. So there's no excuse for not being able to use these, because you can get ones that go on the inside or the outside. And if you want to, you can actually apply them both. So if you have a single pane window system, or you have a broken window that you can't afford to fix, you can get an indoor and an outdoor one of these and seal the frame and double insulate your window. Now these are very easy to install. So what happens is you get a large plastic film and you get a roll of two-sided tape. You put the two-sided tape around the window trim of your window. And then after that, you put the plastic on it. And depending on the kit, then you take a hair dryer and you blow dry it to shrink it. So this particular kit uses the hair dryer and shrink wraps it. And what I like is these things are clear, so it maintains the window so you can look through it during the winter. So you can also use these in the summer to help with cooling costs. So please share your comments. We'll see you on the next video.